McAllister has been given leave to make a statement on the High Court judgment on the Illegal Migration Act, which fulfils the criteria set out in Standing Order 24. If other members wish to be called, they should do so by rising in their places and continuing to do so. All members called will have up to 3 minutes to speak on the subject. I remind members that interventions are not permitted. I will not take any points of order on this or any other matter until this item of business is concluded. Mr. Alistair.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Yesterday in our High Court there was a judgment of immense constitutional significance. Constitutional significance in that an act of the Sovereign Parliament of the United Kingdom was overruled and set aside because of the supremacy of EU law, a supremacy that is bestowed by Article 2 of the sovereignty-grabbing protocol, subjecting Northern Ireland alone within the United Kingdom to its supremacy, its laws and its rights. And the consequence, of course, given the subject, is that Northern Ireland now will become a magnet for illegal migrants flooding into Northern Ireland to escape the consequences potentially which lie within the Ruanda scheme. The political consequences also extend to the fact that yesterday's judgment saw the wheels come off the Safeguarding the Union document, the DUP's document, that brought them back to this House. Because in that document, which the DUP bought and sold to the people of Northern Ireland, there was a blatant lie in paragraph 46, where it says the Windsor Framework applies only in respect of trade in goods. I and others told them that was not so, and now the High Court equally says that it is not so. And yet we had DUP figures protesting the provenance of the Safeguarding the Union document, Gavin Robinson telling us that it was important in maintaining and securing our position in the United Kingdom. Mr. Brooks of this House, in an article penned under his name in the newsletter, telling us it had ended dynamic alignment. And yet yesterday, paragraph 65 of the judgment expressly declares that dynamic alignment continues with EU law, with Jeffrey Donaldson and the Secretary of State waving the document in Hillsborough House. It was the DUP's document. The wheels have now come off, and my call to the DUP today is to now disavow this union dismantling document. It is a document which was a contrived fable and a dangerous deceit, and needs to be disavowed by any unionist.